In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a video on Pinterest. We will walk through each click together so you can follow along easily, even if this is your first time using Pinterest. First, open your browser and search Pinterest. Type the word Pinterest into the address bar or the search box in your browser, then press enter. On most screens, you will see Pinterest appear as one of the first results, usually with the familiar red and white logo. Taking a moment to notice that logo helps you avoid similar-looking results that are not the real site. Once you see the search results, click the correct Pinterest link and sign in. The correct link usually says Pinterest and mentions visual discovery or saving ideas. Click that result and the Pinterest homepage or sign-in screen will appear. If you see a sign-up option, look for a smaller sign-in link instead. Enter your email and password or use your usual sign-in option, then confirm that the main Pinterest feed loads with a grid of images and videos. When you are signed in, your profile picture or initial will show in the corner, which tells you that anything you save will go into your own boards. With your home feed open, click on the search bar and type the word video, then press enter. The search bar sits near the top of the page, and after you click it, you should see a blinking cursor waiting for you to type. When you type video and hit enter, Pinterest refreshes the page and shows a new grid filled with pins related to videos. Some will be static images that link to videos, and others will start playing a short preview when you hover over them. A helpful detail here is that Pinterest search reacts to broad words like video by showing many different topics, so you can also add a keyword such as recipe video or travel video later if you want more specific results. After you have found a video pin you like, click the down arrow, then choose the board to save it in, then tap the red Save button beside the board name. The down arrow usually appears near the top of the pin, and when you click it, a small list of your boards drops down. Each board in that list is basically a folder where you organize related pins. Click the board where you want this video to live, and once you click it, the red Save button beside that board name becomes active. Tap that red Save button and you will see a short confirmation, often a checkmark or a saved label, right on the pin. That tells you the video is now stored on that board, ready for you to watch again later from your profile. You have just searched Pinterest, found a video you like, and saved it neatly into one of your boards. If that helped you keep your favorite videos organized, please give this a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Pinterest guides.